Hello guys, it is another weekend and I want to show you guys a couple of updates because there has been things happening here all week long. Like, for example, this was done today. We got some trim that we're having throughout the whole entire bottom floor. Well, that looks interesting. That is interesting. That is a something. I guess they needed to do that in order to go up the stairs, but I don't know. So the trim is gonna go throughout the whole house, and then look at this. What? It goes like that, and then goes up there. Not sure how I feel about this. Why did they have the square? Why didn't it just go down there? I feel like that would have looked better. We'll see how my fiance feels about that one. But we have it going throughout the whole entire house. That was a decision that we had made. We got some French doors in here. This is gonna be the playroom. I wanted French doors because I want to be able to see the kids in there when they're playing, when we're in the kitchen. So if we're in the kitchen and whatnot, I want to be able to see them in there. Obviously that's going to be painted, but that's that. More of that trim. We've got trim up there. We have been trying to figure out the hood situation, like the custom thing. So this is what they built yesterday. Has like a little round thing and a shelf. This is the second one that they built, okay? We're going on a third now because we have to get rid of the shelf. We're gonna have this come out a little more first before the roundness starts, just so you could add some kind of molding to kind of possibly connect the cabinets together so that they look kind of connected. And I think did you guys see my island? I don't even know if you guys saw my island, but I got an island now. Look at it. It is gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh, we got countertops and everything. All the countertops here. Today we were also deciding on the backsplash. We had a couple of samples and we want a couple of more. So that's something that we will be looking at. And next week the plumber is gonna be here to put in the fridge, the dishwasher, to hook up the stovetop, which is under that box. Let me show you guys my stovetop. My cooktop, I guess. I don't know what you call it. But I'm really excited. What is this? I guess it's some kind of system. But I'm really excited. Look at it. It's a 5-burner. I love it. It's so pretty. And on top of that, we got our oven fixed. So GE was here to fix the oven because this had like a big bulge in it, like a big dent. So they did fix that. So it's starting to come together, guys. There's still a lot to do. This trim does look nice. I don't want to do two-tone, so I was kind of against this trim because as far as I knew, when people do this trim, they do two-tone walls. So you do like a darker color on top and then make that white or whatnot. I want it all one color and I think it'll still look really nice. So we shall see how that looks. I just don't want the two-tone walls. I don't want that. But everything is feeling so good and so open and I'm really loving it. And I'm very happy so far. I hope our floors arrive very soon. They were supposed to be here this week. That was the last update that I got. They keep saying this week, but the week is now over and there's no floor. So we have no idea what's going on with the floors. But yeah, there's that. But I am gonna go plant some stuff outside. What was that? Did you guys hear that? That just scared me. I don't know what that was. Did something hit the roof? I don't know. That was scary. So I'm gonna go plant outside. We got some stuff at Home Depot a couple of weeks ago, some seeds and things, and yeah, I'm gonna go do some planting. It's raining out, guys, but I need to get started on some planting, so we're gonna plant some things in here today. Oh, what should we do with this? Should we return it? Now we don't need it. We could plant flowers in here. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna start off in here because we got some other planters today that are still in the car somewhere. But I got a bunch of seeds. No, they're in there. They're in there. Oh, we got a strawberry kit. Okay. And then I got, let's see, I got broccoli and thyme, peace nose. I don't know. I got random stuff. Cucumbers and tomato, basil seeds. I can't wait. Dill. I love adding dill to things. Lettuce. I cannot wait for my lettuce to grow. I'm gonna have all the salads this summer. Cauliflower. I never grew half of this stuff, so we'll see how this works. Okay guys, don't know how this is gonna work out. This one is beans. I don't have another like label thing, but I just need to know that this is beans. Hopefully that's fine. So this whole thing is beans. This has nothing. This whole thing is lettuce. Those are labeled. I'm just leaving them outside to get some wetness because it's raining. And then just, I think this was just one strawberry. So we put it like here somewhere. And we put the dirt there somewhere. I don't know. So hopefully this grows. It is now the next day, guys. And I just got to my parents' house. It is Mother's Day, so I am here. But I got here a lot earlier than we had planned to be because I brought all this to do laundry. Right, mister? Are you gonna help me do laundry? Are you gonna help me, Kuba? You're gonna help me do laundry? Thank you. But yeah, I got a lot. I think I'm trying to see if I could make that into one load, right? The whites obviously have to go separate, but the other stuff maybe could be one load. But yeah, I'm here. Just want to say happy Mother's Day to all of you mamas out there. Whether you're a human mom, whether you're a mom that wants to have kids but can't have kids, maybe you're a foster mom, maybe you're a mom that adopted kids, maybe whatever the reason, however you are a mom, maybe you're a plant mom, a fur baby mom, a fish mom, whatever you are, whatever type of mom you are, you're still a mom. And mothers and all those mothers see you and are wishing you a happy Mother's Day, including I. So happy Mother's Day to you guys, and I'm gonna get started on my laundry. You know how every laundry machine is different though? I asked my mom to put in the liquid and stuff for me already because I was just like, I don't know what to do. So she prepared it for me so I could just put my stuff in and press start and call it a day. Well guys, combining that load is not gonna work. I decided to throw the jacket that I was wearing in there too because I've been seeing a couple of like spots on it lately and I wear it every single day for work. So I was like, I'm just gonna throw it in. But yeah, it is jam-packed in there. I was not able to fill the second load in there, so I guess I got 2 more loads. Whites I always have so little of. My sister says she has the most of whites. I have the least amount of whites and always darks and colors. What do you guys have the most of? Let me know in the comment section down below. My mister, you're so fluffy. I missed you so much. Yes. Gonna give you guys a quick OOTD because I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell. Maybe I'll put you guys somewhere else. Hold on, guys. Yes, Kubi, he just want all the love. I'll give you all the love. 1 second. So you guys are gonna be at an angle. These are the new pants that I got. Oh, this is not a good angle either. New pants that I got from Target. They were like 20 bucks, guys, and I love them. I think I showed you guys. They have some ripped jeanness, but the bottoms are not like tight. They're considered baggy jeans, as what they call them in Target. So yeah, I'm just wearing those pants and I love them. Right, mister? Do you love them too? And this shirt, I don't know where I got this. I love wearing it. I've worn it so many times for like these kinds of events, specifically like when I know I'm gonna be going to two parents' houses, my parents and then Babe's parents. So like I'm always wearing this. So even just like birthdays and stuff, I love the shirt. I love it. So yeah, that's my nice little OOTD. Also just took off my nail polish. Figured I would do my nails. I brought over nail polish because my parents are at church, so thought I would get some stuff done here, and I also have my laptop so I could do some lesson planning because I still got work to do. It's Mother's Day, but I got work to do. New color I recently picked up on a Target run. I'm trying to show you guys. It's like a gray. It has some warmthiness to it, and I'm really liking it. So this one is, I only get the Espresso now. Oh my god, I just killed one of my nails. I feel it sticking to my other finger. Gotta fix it. But it's called Binge Worthy 360. In case you guys are interested, I love the Espresso. They're quick dry. I love it. I think my nails are fairly dry. I really like this color. The only thing I'm looking for is Espresso white nail polish. I haven't found a white one yet, and I really, really want a white. But my laundry is done here. Gotta put it in the dryer and I'll put my second load in. Gotta get the laundry done, guys, before I have to go to the next house for Babe's house for his parents, his mom's Mother's Day. Okay guys, dryer is in. Got 50 minutes. Washer, another 30 down there. I wish the dryer would take faster. I feel like I'm always waiting for the dryer. Like you change and switch out a load, but then you're still waiting for the dryer. I wish they were faster, but when you do like low heat, it just takes longer. Like high heat obviously, but like I do low heat or no heat usually. Well, no, I usually do low, like the lowest possible. It just takes so long. It is some other day, guys, but I wanted to show you guys. I got new sheets, duvet cover. It's actually a duvet cover that I got. It's from Amazon. I had a white one before. Now I got a gray one. Babe wanted a gray. So I like it though. It looks good. I also changed the duvet insert to a thinner one just because it's getting warmer now and the other one was getting a little too warm, and I put white sheets on, but I think both of them look good. Like the white looked good, the gray looks good, they all look good. It's fantastic. I wanted to show you guys the white one, but I gotta find the photo on my phone. So here was the white and this is the gray. They both look really good. So I'm actually going to link these ruffle like duvet cover sets down below. It's from Amazon. I love them. I also got another white one just so I have a spare when I switch out the whites. So I don't have to like be like, okay, I got to do laundry and then put the bed back together, but I could kind of do like, you know, not like I could do laundry now anyway, because right now nothing is still hooked up yet. Our floors still haven't arrived, so got no washer dryer as of, I mean we do, it's just not hooked up. So my duvet is from Amazon, my sheets are from Target, and I actually want to show you guys, again, I've mentioned it here before, but I wanted to tell you guys more about like shopping through Rakuten. So anytime you shop online, always shop through this website because they give you cash back. So I'm going to show you guys how much cash back I just got from shopping on Target. Just gonna hide my order numbers here, but you could see that top one is Target. And yes, I spent a lot because I was also buying island chairs. But I got $8.36 cash back, and things, guys, add up. Like, they add up, and sometimes they do like double cash back. You could see I've been ordering quite a bunch, and I'm getting cash back for a lot of things lately. So if you guys would like to sign up, make sure to click the link down below. Right now they're doing like a promotion kind of thing. Like if you sign up and you make your first purchase that's $40 or more, you get $40 cash back. So do I, but you get $40 cash back. So it's like you didn't almost spend anything. Especially if your order is like $41. It's like you barely spent anything and you just got like a free product, and then you'll get your $40 cash back, which is awesome. You guys know I talk about this all the time. Not sponsored, I just love it. I always use it. You could use it on HSN on all your crafty stuff. Obviously they have Michael's. I'm not sure about Joann because I don't shop there often, but I will check for you guys real quick to see if they have Joann. They do. Oh, Joann is currently 5% cash back. So check it out, guys. You guys could get some cash back, especially if you sign up within the next couple of days, because it's $40. Normally it's $30, so whichever. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's been days and I haven't edited you guys yet. I just keep adding on to it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, I love it. I love the gray. It looks good. I mean, I think what I love the most is just the ruffles, but I love it. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.